Hi, I wanted to just give you a little intro about the pile of books area. Obviously, it's the library. Uh, I want to implore you to look through the books that I have up there now and to come back to it now and again because I'm going to be adding more and more books. I'm going to start off with the books that are pointed to the subject at hand, which is the concept of becoming your own perpetual wealth, money, financial uh, president, let's call it. So that's what the first set of books will be about. There's going to be books about other things like historical books, history of all kinds of things. There's going to be self-help books that are recommended, all kinds of things. I'm going to be recommending in the financial side of things. I'm going to be recommending books that are written by fellow practitioners and other people that are that are not practitioners but understand the concept. They were practitioners and they have since decided to not continue with that. But the way I look at this, you might think, the way I look at it is, we're just here to share the information, to teach the information. And you are on the other side learning something that's new to you. And that's really all it is, in the sense that, yes, I am in business, and I would love to have you as a client, as a student. And believe me, I'm a student as well. I am continuing to learn. I will continue to learn, and understand this in a deeper way as time goes on. But in my opinion, it isn't about the competition of my fellow practitioners or whoever it might be. Um, it isn't about the competition. It's about you. It's about you learning this concept to take back control of a portion of what you can take back of your financial life. You're going to be buying things anyway. You're going to be buying cars. You're going to be sending kids to college. You're going to be doing all kinds of things, buying new TVs, refrigerators. But if you control the financial side of the transaction, you can benefit greatly. If you don't, then someone else, another financial institution, is going to benefit from your money. So, anyway, I don't consider these practitioners, my fellow practitioners, as competitors. I consider them as patriots that wish to help all of the people they can reach. And I'd like to do the same. So anyway, you'll find all these books. You're going to find some videos, some interviews that I've done. And as time goes on, I'm actually going to start segueing some things that have to do with your health. Different products, different methodologies, and different books about your health, because I do believe that a pile of books can have a great effect on your life. So I think that your financial life is important, your health is important, and when I say your health, I mean your physical health, your mental health, your soulful health. All of this, mental, physical, spiritual, is all very important. So you're going to find all kinds of things as time goes on, as I develop this website. So anyway, that's it. And I wish you a great day. God bless, and we'll catch you next time.